Loosen the furniture cover plate screws. It's a good idea to secure the door to avoid movement. Looking at the fore end of the lock, several screws are visible. Undo the screw in line with the bottom part of the cylinder. Turn the key 30 degrees to align the cam and pull out. Slide the cylinder back into the cylinder hole from the key side. Tighten the screw. With the door open, lift the handle to engage the chute bolts and insert the key and turn clockwise. The deadbolt engages and the handle locks. Now turn the key anti-clockwise. Pulling down on the handle now unengages the chute bolts.